name is Alex. Thank you for watching the video. And I'm live inside the Spintex Road, and I'm actually here to do a small job on my car. So this is my car key. Okay, I've been using this car for the past 2 years now. No, I'm sure. I think this 11 July will make it 2 years that I've been using this car. But the key of this car is not really functioning properly. It's unable to lock the car. You understand me? And I believe that the battery inside is weak, so I'm here to change it up to a new one so that I can easily, lock up the car when I want to. Okay, so if you're ready, let's go. So this is the battery, and it's a Panasonic. Can you imagine this small thing can give out 3 volts? Can you imagine this small battery? That's a new one. New one. Now it's working perfectly. We give thanks. All right, so in conclusion to this car key video that I just did, what happens is that because I have been able to replace the battery inside this car key, I'm able to stand at a distance of about 10 meters away from the car and still be able to lock the car seamlessly with just one click. All right, just like that. If I release it again, just with one click. Now, if you also have a car key like this, and you are trying to lock it up and then it is not fast and seamless like this one, then there is a higher chance that the battery inside is weak, so you need to change it up. Okay, my name is Alex Amel. Thank you so much for making time to watch this video, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye bye.